Just a little quick note. I just put this video on because the slight differences between most vehicles, sometimes years and models. This is a 2005 GMC ENVOY XL. I was having problems with clicking noise coming from my rear AC, and sometimes the blower wasn't responding until the clicking stopped. At one point it would click and then go away and everything would be fine, and then the other times it would start clicking when I disconnect the battery or whatever. Using other videos, I did understand that it's not necessarily you have to replace it thing. You may be able to do it just by adjusting the actuators, moving them out, and I'll explain it more in a minute. It's just to get a clear cut so people understand that they can do this. Normally if I start the vehicle, it'll start clicking, but like I said, I did fix it, and then I decided to do a video after the fact. But here we go. Most people, when they start the videos and they show, they kind of taking the pieces apart. Here they just took the top part apart and left everything else and kind of moved it back. They took all these pieces off right here and then just kind of let it tilt to the side and reach your arm around. Well, in this 2005, I think there's two. I'm not exactly sure, but when I started it first, I heard clicking noise here. Then when I adjusted this and kind of got the noise to stop, it was clicking here, but only briefly, then it stopped. So I shut the vehicle off, started over again, and then the noise started coming back here. So I had to pull this up again, readjust this, and adjust this one real fast, and then the blower started working. If your blower is, if your motor is not on, then that's a clear indication when it's actually fixed. Because when you adjust this one, and I only pulled it out just a hair. This one I pulled out all the way and turned it back, turned that little knob back a little bit, and pulled it out. I'm not fixing to take it all loose again. You can see other videos on doing that. But because I don't want to have to do it all over again. But if you, like I said, pull this up all the way or part of the way, and you might have to adjust this, because in here there's little notches, as you can see. That thing has to be turned a certain way in order for you to get it, so you have to angle it in. It's like that in both. So this one I just moved a little bit once I took the screws out. So if you're having that problem, go ahead and take the screws out. It won't move because you still have to put it up. Go ahead and take the screws out of both of them. If you hit wherever you hear the clicking noise from, start from that one first, and then go from there. Also, like I said, I took my whole assembly apart. Really, all I can do is take these out, these off, because I wanted to take the whole panel off because I heard the clicking noise coming out of here. And as you can see, it's real restrictive once you start trying to get in to put your hand in there to take screws out. You drop a screw, something. So if you have time, my suggestion is to take all this freaking stuff off. And then it gave me an opportunity to clean where I couldn't vacuum up under these things right here. There are screws in there. I took them out, like, show you. This is the seat here. There were screws in here. I took them out because I was thinking I could take just this one seat off, but you can't because of this. Even when you take the screws out of here, there are there are notches in the back of that thing to keep it in. See right here, that keeps it in, and let's so you don't have to look upside down. That keeps it in. You can't remove that piece. So in doing so, I just took the whole, in doing so, I just took the whole thing apart. You can leave those screws. All you basically do is take those pieces out, I just used a little thing. It's 19 millimeter. You can see here. As soon as it focuses in, it's like a 19 millimeter, or I think 3/4 will work too. It's a little big, but either one of those two. And besides that, you probably gonna need. I got a screwdriver as well to take this off. All these pop off. Take that off, and then this is the hard part, trying to get it over here. You got to pull it over here and stuff like that. So I wasn't able to get all this off like that, so I started here first and then just kind of pushed it down. So that's going to be the hard part of getting that panel on and probably off and probably back on. But the easiest thing to do is get rid of the seats completely. There are also some 3 bolts in the front as well. That you wind up taking off right here, here, and there. They're all the same size. I would use a deep well socket because a short socket won't go over them screws. All right, that's all I have. Like I said, I'm finna put all this together, and there are other videos that'll show you how to put that together, but I just wanted to add these simple things into their video because it may help you understand how to fix it better than the videos they have. All right, good luck and have a good one.